All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. I'm super excited. As you can see, I just unloaded 2 metal cabinets from Gladiator. And I'm super excited. I'm actually gonna finally get this back wall decked out the way I actually want. I'm gonna have a detail station, PPF, and vinyl wrap station. Everything put away nicely. Super excited. Let's go ahead and get these guys opened up and put together. All right guys, so kind of a long time coming. I started filming this video a while back. It's been a little bit of time now, but I finally got everything squared away and I'm pretty happy with the result. So I got my cabinets up, got the tables next to it, and I got some grid wall behind it along with my vinyl wrap rack. And here it is. Here is the final setup for the detail shop slash vinyl shop. And I finally have it all kind of dialed in the way I really wanted it. So. Again, I have the lighting system on the walls, really good for vinyl wraps, paint protection, ceramic coating, all that kind of stuff, where you really need to see all the defects in the paint and all the intricacies. So that's squared away and I'm really happy about that. Next we have the detail side of the back wall. And as you can see, I got this grid wall. I'm gonna link all this stuff down below because this is a really great option I hadn't seen before, and it's cheap. So it gives a great solution. It's just grid wall, it mounts right onto the wall, and you have all these different attachments that you can get, brush attachments and everything else. I went pretty limited on the selection that I got, but there's a lot more options. So I will go ahead and link all that stuff in the description down below, along with the polishers and the pads. Now, I use a few different pads. I just started using these Udos pads from Lake Country. This is for their Udos machine. That swaps in and out between a rotary, a dual action, I think an 8mm, 15mm, 21mm, and also a sander. Really cool machine, a little bit heavy, but a really cool machine. And they made these pads for it, and I've been using them along with my normal polishers, my 15mm throws. And guys, let me tell you, these things are amazing. They work incredibly well, they last a long time, and they clean up too. You can actually clean these out and get them back to pretty much brand new. So I'm really impressed with those. There's just 2 finishes. There's a finishing pad, polishing pad, and then a cutting pad. Not super aggressive, but you pair it up with the right compound and you're good to go. I have some of my chemicals here, a little speaker, and then a little variation of brushes. Again, all of these will be linked down below as well. These ones I just got in, and these are really, really nice, super, super soft. Really good for all the exterior detailing applications, so you don't have to worry about scratching the paint with these guys because they're so soft. Okay, also have my mini fridge, the rack down below, and then my first cabinet. This is just some miscellaneous detailing products, some pads, applicator pads for ceramic coatings. These actually have a plastic piece dividing in between the 2 sides so that the ceramic coating doesn't saturate all the way through, because then you're wasting product. So these are amazing. Just my tire applicator pads, some other pads, vector fog machine, and an ozone machine for those cars that have odors to them. Then we have my vinyl wrap wall, whatever you want to call it. I have a new color coming in, should be here on Friday, which I'm really excited about. It's a color from Vivid Plus. I did order it on Amazon. I wanted to get a product that's really easy for you guys to get, and I think it's a really cool color. I'm really excited to see it in person, and I'm gonna be wrapping the Forerunner with it. So we'll deal with that when it comes up to it. Next we have my rigid vacuum. This one's killer. It actually has a blower on top. You can actually pop this part off, turns into a blower. So I use that in the shop to dry cars. And then I also have my vacuum. Really powerful vacuum, and it works amazingly well. This is the aftermarket
detail attachment, detail brush, detail accessory toolkit that Rigid makes. Highly recommend. The hoses that these things come with, usually I always end up breaking them. These are crush proof. You get smaller attachments. The thing's just awesome. And then we come over to here, the other side of the wall, and we have, I'm actually kind of using this as my vinyl and paint protection film side. So you have my Avery belt there, so I can keep all my tools nice and close while I'm working. And then we have all my magnets, more block magnets, all my squeegees, application gloves, mold and hold, all that kind of stuff that I need in there, and a sweet little note from my daughter. So we'll go ahead and close these guys up. Again, these are the Gladiator cabinets, and I got these are the 36 inch, I believe, and they are great. I'm really impressed with them. I had them shipped directly to a Home Depot, but you can find them at other places online as well. It's probably a little bit easier when I ordered mine from Home Depot. It took quite a long time for them to arrive, and then I had to go get them, and it was kind of a pain in the butt, but you know, whatever, it all works. So back to the wall here, we have another grid wall just so that it matches the other side. Haven't decided what I'm going to put on there just yet, but I'm excited to kind of build that out a little bit more. And then the rack down below with some leftover vinyl scraps. So that is it, guys. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you again. I'm going to link everything down below. I hope you guys enjoy. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.